Hey, everybody. As a safety professional, a career safety professional, I have personally been on a journey for several decades to find a way to change the counterproductive and toxic cultures that we so often find in our manufacturing plants. I'm Ron Alexander, and I believe that I have actually and finally identified a specific reproducible pathway to achieve this objective. I have evidence to back this up, and I'm willing to share what I've learned about how you can accomplish this, and I can share this with anyone who's interested. I found some specific tools that you need to use to do this. And once you implement these tools, you can improve just about any metric in your manufacturing facility that you want, including profitability. You choose the metrics. It's not just safety, that's just one metric. So how this happens? Well, in one sentence, if you're willing to shift your management model from being managers and from being supervisors to being mentors and coaches instead. If you're willing to do that, if you're willing to learn to do that and actually do it, your organization can make a lot more money. The most cost-effective and fastest way to improve productivity and profitability in your company, in my opinion, is to better use what you already have in your hand right now. There are existing unused resources in the minds and skill sets of your existing plant population. Traditional management models do not tap into all these resources. They're resources that are available. They're just laying there unused. And someday I'm going to write a book explaining in detail all I've learned about how to do this. But for now, for today, what I'm going to do is post a few videos, short videos, to start on exactly how you can shortcut your pathway to this same journey. So for the next 3 days, starting tomorrow, I'm going to be posting some short videos about what I've learned. These videos, I believe, will encourage you to reimagine how that you should manage your organization and give you some ideas on how to up-level your productivity. So in these videos, I'm going to underscore exactly why we have to become more skilled at managers and supervisors. I'm going to illustrate how words and the way we use them matters to the success of our organization. I'm going to help you learn the basics of transitioning from being a boss or a manager to being a coach or mentor. And I'm also going to show you the magic of what happens when you blend a continuous improvement structure with your newly enhanced communication skills. So I believe this will be very impactful. And if I receive a positive response on these videos based on the comments I received, I'm going to continue to post videos with a lot more detail. So the next video will be tomorrow. It will continue for the next 3 days. And I want to encourage you to watch, and thank you for your watching. And please, please comment. That's what keeps these things going. I will be putting these videos on my YouTube channel. So if you're watching on YouTube or you're going to be watching on YouTube, you will know the drill there too. You will please like, comment, and subscribe. So thank you very much, and you have a great and successful day.